Lifestyle Realty,
Yes.
talking to Ed, the rapping real estate agent. That's what you go by.
I do.
We're in Greensboro, but you are in the Charlotte area.
I'm in the Charlotte area, but we're back and forth. I'm in a lot of different markets.
Okay.
But I'm based out of Charlotte.
And you're licensed in North Carolina,
South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So you stay pretty busy.
Yes, I do. Yes, I
Okay.
do. I've been blessed.
So being in the real estate game for 17 years, let's drop some nuggets to some of these new agents and maybe give a little inspiration to some of these people are thinking about buying a home.
If you're thinking about working with clients based on you seeing that real estate agents are making a lot of money,
Right.
traveling, and all of that cat, get out. Get out of the business.
Don't do real estate for the money.
No.
Get in it
to help people.
Yes.
Help fix a problem.
Yeah.
And just help. It's basically a service.
Right.
Definitely
the service business.
So you have to know that this is customer service.
Right.
I had a background in customer service, so it was easily to transfer that to real estate.
So now in 2025, what are some of the home buyers you're encountering, or some of the questions you happen to hear a lot for people that want to buy a house, maybe currently have a home, but want to look at buying a secondary home or investment? Yeah. What are some of the conversations you're hearing now?
A lot of buyers, especially first-time buyers, they think you have to have 20% down.
Right.
They think that their credit score has to be a 700.
Right.
So just expelling all those myths.
Right.
There's still programs out there for you. A lot of lenders don't like to do it because, you get paid less. It's just, it's more work.
I can't vouch as a lender. It is more work. But if people need that down payment assistance to get into their first home, then that's what we're going to do.
My advice would be to map out a game plan.
Yeah.
Get with the right professional.
Yeah.
Don't just listen to your friends that bought like 2 years ago or 5 years, because the market changes.
Totally different.
Tap into the real estate professional. If you're a seller, all of my sellers, I want to get them to thinking like, where are you going to live?
Right.
If you got a nice payment, if you're paying $900 or $1,000 a month because your interest rate was lower, talk it over. You're not going to see that again.
No.
It's gone.
The mortgage payment for $1,000? Who paid that?
Exactly. So have a conversation with your real estate professional.
Right.
Preferably somebody at Lifestyle in the Greensboro office.
Put that on there.
Plug. But make sure you map out a game plan.
Right.
I'm seeing people not really being concerned about the payment as much if they're selling a house.
Right.
A lot of times they just want to go to another area. They want to downsize. So just discover what it is, whatever the problem is, and fix that.
Understand the ultimate goal here.
Yeah.
Good.
And if you're selling, make sure that house is sellable, meaning make sure it's clean.
You want to sell your house, you need an agent to help you sell your house.
Correct.
What is a selling house supposed to look like?
Well, you want to make sure it's clean. You want to make sure that everything is working.
Vacuum up.
Vacuum. You don't want to just stick a sign in the yard and it look like crap when people look at it. You know what I mean? So
let it be presentable.
Since the interest rates have been higher, people want more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like maybe back in 2020, 2021, you can kind of just, sell anything.
Right.
That's not the case in this market right now. And then on the flip side of that, I'm seeing some clients that want to do the most.
Right.
They're upgrading unnecessarily. They're spending unnecessary money.
Right.
So that's why it's important for you to talk to your real estate professional. And some clients don't have the money to fix anything.
Okay.
So we talk about credits.
Right.
You may want to offer credit. So there's ways around things, but make sure it's clean though.
Well, Ed, we thank you so much for providing your expertise of 17 years in the game. Came in during the housing crisis in 2008. So when it was falling apart, you was like, let me go ahead through this door and see what's over here.
And people was looking at me like,
do that?
Well, I was living in Atlanta at the time.
Okay.
And I was working for a security company selling alarm systems.
Yeah.
And it seemed like all of my clients were real estate agents. So I always used to ask my clients, what do you do? And they were like, real estate. So I was like, that must be a sign. I guess I'm one of them sign people. That must be a sign.
My husband do the same thing. He's like, he hear it more than once.
Yeah.
It's got to be something to it.
So I asked one real estate agent, and she said, you just take the the class. It's like 6 weeks.
Mhm.
Then you got to take the state exam, and
Right.
then it's real easy. I can introduce you to a broker.
Yeah.
She got me connected, and it was on and popping. I think my first year I sold 12 houses, but I was working a full-time job at the same.
So you were doing it part-time in the beginning.
I was doing it part-time for sure. I'm gonna say about 10. Nah, out of the 17 years, probably about 10.
10, you had a full-time job and doing real estate on the side.
Yeah, because I didn't want to be homeless, man. Because you got to stack that money.
Yeah, that real estate game is it's highs and it's lows.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
that's just what it is. How did you come up with the rapping real estate agent? How did you come up with that name?
I write songs, so I write. That's like my passion. So I
Okay.
write music. So I was talking to my wife, and I was like, you know what? I'm thinking about changing my whole image. As real estate professionals, we always looking at our image and
Oh
see.
yeah.
And I was like, I'm thinking about calling myself the rapping real estate agent. And she looked at me and she was like, you about to lose all of your business. Why would you
That's
do
what your wife said.
Yeah, why would you do that
Why
hood
would you-
mess? Why you bringing that into real estate? Like you want to destroy your business.
But it might be something to it though.
So that's the reason why I did it. Because
Okay.
I was like, Miss, she don't know what she talking about.
Right.
Which,
You know, rap. I'm a rapper.
well,
I write songs.
So I started doing commercials, these
Okay.
catchy commercials with the radio station, and I started flipping regular songs and turning them into songs that were about selling real estate. I just tried it, and it just started catching fire. I did that about 7 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's been on and popping ever since.
Yes. Having little taglines, little catchy stuff, because somebody might type in real estate rapper and guess who's gonna pop up?
Yeah.
Ed.
But the thing about it is I had some experience, doing music. I've done stuff with Uncle Lou, 95 South, Quad City DJ. So I have done, worked with a lot of known people. So it's not a gimmick. This is what I actually do. But it was risky.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if I would work with a rapping real estate agent. I don't know. So I did it. To my wife's point, she did have some. I probably missed some business too, but I think that you would just have to be real with yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So people are drawn to authentic people.
Yeah. And they understand your story, like you mentioned it. You went from there, evolved into real estate, and like it's all connected. That's who you are.
Exactly.
You just tying it together.
And I would say my advice to anybody out there is try to find a moniker, something that you attach yourself to.
Yeah.
If you're a soccer mom, you're the soccer mom realtor. You know what I mean? Like just whoever, because you're trying to build and find your tribe.
Yeah.
So that's what all this is in a nutshell. So.
Well, I can tell you, lifestyle definitely is building a tribe here.
Yes.
All the agents I've met, y'all solid. I've been in the game for 16 years and I'm still like learning, like, what can I do better? So y'all definitely inspire me.
And I just came on as a new partner over here. So I'm excited about that.
Nice.
So, yes.
Partner. Yes. I like it. Well, Ed, we appreciate you joining us.
I appreciate you having me.
All right. Peace.